Good morning. You are listening Kanak Keswani, your news anchor from Lavafara Media. Here we bring you latest updated news from around the world. Patients with COVID-19 infection may develop thyroid disease also. COVID-19, which causes severe respiratory symptoms in a patient, may take in its grip other organs too, said a study which found that the deadly virus can also develop an inflammatory thyroid disease called seborrheic thyroiditis. Seborrheic thyroiditis is characterized by neck pain and is usually preceded by an upper respiratory tract infection. Next news is train flight tickets enough to enter Delhi. People from Noida and Greater Noida with a confirmed flight or train ticket will not require any pass to travel to Delhi, the Gautam Buddha Nagar police said on Friday. At present, the Noida-Delhi border is sealed for movement except for essential services and people having passes issued by the district administration. The central government has decided to resume some domestic flights from 25th May and some train services from 1st June, for which online bookings have also resumed. The next news is growth rate of coronavirus. Growth rate of new cases till April 3rd was increasing at the rate of 22.6%. Behavior of the virus was exponential. After April 4, there is a clear showing of the growth and then it settled at 5.5%. This shows that the country stopped the progression of the virus. Overall, we averted between 14 to 29 lakh cases and 37,000 to 71,000 deaths. The next news is Hong Kong open slams China national security law move. Hong Kong's pro-democracy law makers sharply criticized China's move to take over long-stalled efforts to enact security legislation in the semi-autonomous territory, saying it goes against the one country and two system framework that promises the city freedoms not found on the mainland. Former Hong Kong leader C.Y. Leung defended the move in an interview with Chinese state broadcast CCTV. He warned that the pro-democracy opposition should not underestimate the determination of the Chinese government to deal with the issues of Hong Kong. I, Kanak Keswani, will come with new updates tomorrow. Stay tuned with us. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.